Though he acknowledged the remainder, Though he acknowledged the reminder, he repeatedly did not allocate time for the complete sessions, notably up to the point when the decision to disband the task team, that is the PKTT, was made. Minister Mchunu had not received any formal update on the team's progress. This lack of comprehensive briefing is particularly pertinent to this commission, as it underscores a significant gap in gathering of information and adequate information flow prior to the key operational decisions. So what I'm just mentioning there is that up to the point when the 31st December 2024 letter was, the directive was sent to myself, there was never a briefing on the PKTT to the minister.
And you said it's through no lack of trying on your part. You said it was not through lack of trying on your part.
No, it was not through lack of try. I did try many a times to brief him on that.
Yes, please proceed. Paragraph 160.
This is further reinforced by the fact that the three individuals that could have briefed him, at the very least on the PKTT, did not get an opportunity to do so. Neither myself, neither Lieutenant General Mkonazi, nor Lieutenant General Dimsani Kumalo were asked to do a briefing. The decision to disband the PKTT in KZN was fundamentally an operational matter, falling squarely within the purview of the National Commissioner, who is responsible for the management and strategic deployment of policing resources. I, supported by senior leadership, determined the structure, mandate, and continued existence of specialized units in response to evolving the threats and the need of effective law enforcement. More so, PKTT is just a task team, not a unit.
So what is the significance of that, if any?
The significance is in as much as the PKTT was established after the call by the President and the response by the IMC. The fact of the matter is it is a task team. Task team is a team that can be either be established by a district commissioner or a provincial commissioner. Well, this one was established after the call-up by those role players that I mentioned. So this establishment can still be activated by the provincial commissioner after giving reasons why, or by myself. So it does not require the level of a minister to go down past national commissioner, past the DNCs, the provincial commissioners, and go and disband a task team. So the level of it did not really require that. If ever, we acknowledge, as I said, that it was established after the call by the higher authorities, but still, he should at least have said, this is what I think we should do. Then we would engage and find out the reasons why, if ever we do, and take it from there, but not without consultation, just disband a team that is at that level of the police.
Please proceed. Next sentence, when the minister intervened?
When the minister intervened and made determination about the PKTT without receiving comprehensive briefing or affording me and the relevant officers an opportunity to present their assessments, such actions constitute an overreach into areas reserved for my operational command. This encroachment blurred the vital distinction between policy direction and operational execution, potentially compromising the integrity of policing strategies and undermining the established process for internal accountability and decision-making. By bypassing my mandatory responsibilities, the minister's approach risked sowing confusion, eroding discipline, and jeopardizing